So we had a 34-degree day today. It was pretty hot, first real hot one we've had, and I think the first yellow Jaboticaba is ready. Still a touch of green on the bottom there. The sun's just going down, so the lighting's not the best, but it has changed from a yellow to a slightly golden orange colour, and it feels a bit softer. So I'm gonna come off the easiest. Maybe not ready, but we're going to try it anyway. There we go. Oop, dropped it. Yeah, see, hint of green on it still. Just hanging to try it, so the time has come. Alright, so for size, I can find a ruler, so got the tape measure out. There you go, we're just under an inch. Probably about 2 centimetres. Oh, yeah. Alright. Sorry, the lighting's not the greatest. Let's try. It's quite thick skin. We should have got a sharper knife. There we go. Quite a big seed. Interesting. Doesn't taste bad. Not a lot of flesh. Yeah, definitely like a hint of pineapple. I can see why some people might say it tastes soapy. Not sour at all though. But yeah, not a lot to it. I'll try the skin. I know it can be eaten, I heard it's not very good. Oh yeah, quite bitter, the skin. Not bad. Hopefully they get a bit bigger and out of a lot more of them. Yeah, probably just one you just crack open and suck the flesh out of. Alright, until the next one's ripened.